What's going on? Let's put some new high beams and low beams in the BMW because it is very overdue. For reference, these are what the current high and low beams look like.
Current lows, current high beams.
First, let's pop the hood. Nice and smooth as always. Just for reference, when looking at the car, the outside lights are your lows and the inside lights are your highs. We're gonna take note that the lights are pointing down, the connectors, and we're just gonna go in here. I'm gonna twist them out like this. And now, now we got a light out. Before I go any further, these are what I'm using for the BMW. These are the lows, 9006, and these are the highs, 9005. They're Silver Star Ultras by Sylvania, or whatever you say it. Once you have them out, they're pretty easy to take out. You just gotta pop this clip back. I'm gonna try and slip this off with one hand. But pretty much you gotta take this back piece off and you gotta slide it out. I just want to compare the old and the new. Obviously the old is on the left, the new is on the right. The newer is a more brighter, wider light, and the old one, as we saw earlier in the video, is kind of dull and yellow. So now we're just gonna take the new light, put it back on the wiring harness, and we're just gonna install it the same way we took it out, but in reverse order. And we're gonna do the same thing for all four lights, highs and lows. I got all four lights installed. Now we wait till tonight to see what they look like.
Okay, it's nighttime. Let's check these out. Low beams, high beams. That is 10 times better than what I had.